Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Ledger Live application on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Ledger Live and search. Look for the Ledger Live crypto and NFT application from Ledger SAS and tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Ledger Live is a free desktop and mobile application that helps you manage your cryptocurrencies safely and securely. It is designed to work with Ledger hardware wallets, which are physical devices that store your private keys offline. Wait for the application to download and install, and that is how you can easily get Ledger Live application installed for your iOS device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.